Today I'm going to be doing a 24-hour dropshipping challenge where I'll go over the product research, the store building, and the ads. So let's get into it. So my favorite way to do product research is with PP ads. I'm not sponsored in any way. It's just simply my favorite product research method. So I'm looking for a product with high margins. I'm looking for around $15 to $30. Paid ads are usually expensive, so try not to test anything under $10 in margin. So oftentimes you'll end up with a higher CPA than $10. And most of the time it's hard to make that profitable. So I'll come back to you guys when I find the winner that I'd like to test, and I'll explain why I chose the product.
A few minutes later.
So I just found this product. I think it's pretty cool. I found it on PP ads. It's a necklace that you can write a custom message on, but I also found this one that just says I love you, so you don't have to make a custom product page. The reason I chose this product in specific is because the jewelry niche for dropshipping has always worked. It has a lot of uniqueness, a lot of wow factor. It has high margins and it looks good on camera. So I think we can make this pop. I can get this for probably $7 ship, and I'm using a Chrome extension called PP Spy, right? As you click live sales and you can see all their sales that they're getting. The reason this is so huge is because now you can see how many sales they're getting. As long as you keep the page open, their sales will continue to come through. Now it's in increments of 5 minutes, meaning that it won't display the sales in between 5-minute periods. So you don't know exactly how many sales they're getting. But the important part is that they are getting sales, and that's why I think that this product could work. Now that we've chosen a product to test, I'm going to take you through how I build stores and how I set up the shipping, the bundles, etc. I'm going to show you everything that I do on all my personal stores, so let's get into it. So to start your store, I suggest using a brand name that has a general appeal. So don't do a one product store when you're starting out to test. I like doing random words. So for example, for this store, I'll be using the term Ubilux, exactly like this. And this is actually my logo that I'm going to be using as well. And I use the theme Streamline, which is in the Shopify theme store. One thing that's super important to make sure that you do is to make sure that your logo appears on your checkout page itself. As you can see, it's 10 times better. So I highly recommend running a logo on your checkout page. So before creating your product page, I highly recommend downloading this app called Copy. And what this does is you take the product URL of the competitor, you copy paste it right into the app, and what it does is it creates the product on your store, so then you can have their product page and then make the necessary changes to make your product page way better. But I do want to make some changes here. I'm going to edit the search handle to make it easier for a customer to come back. I'm going to change this to ILY necklace. It's simple, it's short, everybody knows what ILY means. If you don't, you live under a rock. So now I'm going to change the product image pictures on the variants so that when a customer clicks through the product images, very simple stuff, save. So this is the product page that they have running right now. I'm going to show you what I do. I'm going to edit it up and then I'll come back and show you exactly what I did. So these are the changes I made to their product page. I added a header up here. I changed the wording. There was a lot of fluff in here that I got rid of. Added another header description with another picture, and then I added product details at the bottom here. I think it's very important that you make it very easy for them to read. They didn't come to your product page to read a book, you know, so it should always be header, paragraph, picture. Header, paragraph, picture, product details, etc. So for shipping, what you want to do is have a standard free shipping and then have a insured shipping plus first in line. So what that is a shipping upsell. So what you want to do is make the price something that's not a whole number. So do not use $5, $6, etc. Make it seem like it was a generated shipping price from a carrier. So once you have these two set up, then you're good to go. That's all I do. There's nothing else to it. Now I'm going to get into the ads and I'll show you exactly what to do for the ads. Alright guys, so as you can see, we did 2 sales for $70. What you want to look at is the initiate checkouts and add to cart percentages. They're pretty decent. Standard conversion rate's always 2%. So we're just a little under that. The add to cart initiate checkouts are looking very good as well. This is just a wide open test. if you're ever in this situation where you got a couple sales on a wide open campaign, you're always going to want to keep testing. So let's go into the TikTok ads manager and let's see our metrics there. Okay guys, as you can see, we spent $98, 99 cent cost per click, $9 CPM, CTR of almost 1%. So on here, it didn't get tracked. That's because I didn't have my pixel set up correctly through Shopify itself. Doesn't matter. We know we got 2 sales from this campaign. So with 98 spent on ads, let's do some math here. We're looking at a net loss of about $44. For a first day's test, this is very promising, especially on a lowest cost. When you have a 99 cent cost per click, usually nowadays nobody's running wide open on the lowest cost because it's just not as good as bids. There's other testing strategies that we can run instead of lowest cost that I want to go over in another video, but I might just do another day of ads with this campaign and make a few changes to the website. Maybe I add a little bonus for you guys.
The next day.
All right guys, as you can see here, we're going through the product page that I just created for day 2. I know I was only doing 24 hours, but I wanted to make some changes, so I added some reviews, added a wide bundle upsell, and I think this product page looks 10 times better than what it did before, and I think that this could crush. So I'll come back tomorrow for a bonus day on the challenge. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is day 2. I know I only said 24-hour challenge. Like I said, I wanted to run it for a second day to see exactly if we could make some improvements to make it better. And as you see, it's pretty consistent. These sessions, it should only be around 100. This is around a 2.3, 2.2% conversion rate. We're sitting pretty well. I think it definitely helped that we added some reviews, added upsells, etc. Nobody took the upsell this time, but it didn't decrease the conversion rate, and we honestly could have gotten more sales here. So I think the only way we would have made this better is a different ad setup. So if you guys want, I'll do a 72-hour or a 4-day, 5-day challenge, a week challenge. I'll go into detail about how I would go from here. But let's look at the TikTok metrics quick. All right, as you can see, pretty similar results to yesterday. 97 spend, 92 cent cost per click, lower CPM this time around. 2 purchases on 48 CPA. Still not profitable, still about a $40 loss. But if we go to the ad level, we know which ad set is working based on the ACO. We lost $80, but this was an attempt to show you guys exactly what I do. Alright guys, just to recap, if I were to continue doing this product, I would change the way I'm advertising. So I would run bids instead of lowest cost, and I would try to find a bid that works best for my product. If you guys want to know exactly what I'm doing for that, let me know down below and I'll make a video about how I go from my 24-hour to 48-hour testing phase to the week testing phase, etc. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.